And I'm Adonis Albright. We begin this evening at the border. Arizona's Attorney General says the state has a right to defend itself due to the ongoing situation at the border, to the point of suggesting the National Guard take defense use of force along the border.
Yeah, our Adam Klepp dives deeper and shares why some think the Attorney General's rhetoric is harmful.
Arizona Attorney General Mark Brnovich releasing a legal opinion that says the activity at the Arizona border legally constitutes an invasion. But as you can see behind me, at a popular crossing spot just north of the Cocopah Reservation, no migrants are here. Talks about controlling the situation at the border continue now with a recent legal opinion from Arizona's chief legal officer, Mark Brnovich, stating the current actions of the federal government are destroying operational control at the border, and that cartels trafficking drugs and human fits the constitutional definition of an invasion, giving legal room for Governor Ducey to authorize what Brnovich calls defensive use of force with the Arizona National Guard. During his border visit at the Morelos Dam last December, Ducey said he was taking action.
That's why the Department of Emergency and Military Affairs is repositioning assets to deploy additional resources to our border.
But currently, the National Guard is only serving in a support role to local law enforcement. A statement from Ducey's office says for Attorney General Brnovich to imply the Guard is not on our border does them a serious disservice. The day after the legal opinion was released, however, illegal crossing activity along the wall in the Yuma sector was minimal. In the morning, Border Patrol apprehended a group of about a dozen migrants beginning the asylum-seeking process, like the thousands before them. After their apprehension, the popular spots for illegal crossings by County 14th Street and the Morelos Dam gaps would have been empty if not for a garbage truck and this stray dog. In an interview with News 11 over the weekend, local Congressman Raul Grijalva said using words like invasion to describe the current border situation only harms our community.
It's the rhetoric around build a wall, shut it down, it's an invasion. What does that do to the people that live in the border region? It hurts them. It hurts their economics, and it hurts their satisfaction and their quality of life.
And as we've seen covering the border crisis over the last couple months, it's a situation that can change overnight. I've seen over 100 migrants at this exact spot previously, and of note, we do remain under a local emergency declared by Mayor Nichols in December due to the situation at the border. In Yuma, Adam Klepp, News 11.
Adam, thanks. And staying on the border, Yuma sector agents just rescued someone trying to illegally cross through the Salinity Canal. There were a total of 5 people, but one man was really struggling against the current. He was pulled to safety, and all were taken to be processed.
Well, under the recently passed infrastructure law,